How to enable or disable type to Siri on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, scroll down and tap on Siri, and here you will see a type to Siri button on the top. So if you want to disable type to Siri on your phone, then tap on this button to turn it off. And if you want to enable type to Siri on your phone, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. And after turning on this button, when you will press and hold on the side button, it will open the keyboard, and now you can type to Siri and Siri will respond in text. So that's how you can enable or disable type to Siri on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.